Stop by and take a look at the 2020 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, leather upholstery, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, ashtray, first aid kit. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.